Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy wardrobes or cabinets using artificial reality. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Planner 5D app. And when you first open the app, it's going to open up at the home page. And from the home page, you just have to move to the Tools section, which is on the middle of the screen. And at the Tools section, go to the Furniture Try-On. And at the Furniture Try-On section, you just have to scan your room with your iPhone or iPad. And after scanning the room, you can tap on the plus icon and choose any kind of furniture. Now we are looking for wardrobes and cabinets. And you can choose from this huge list of different kind of wardrobes and cabinets. Let's choose this one, and you have to find the place where you would place this cabinet. Now I don't really need a new cabinet here, but for this tutorial I'm gonna place it here in the middle of the room. Wow, this is a huge cabinet. And then after placing it, you can walk around it to see all the details, the texture. You can walk back to see how it would look in your room, which is always a good thing before investing in a new piece of furniture. You can look inside it. You can also walk through it. You can also look under it, see the texture. You can also customize it so it looks the way you would like it to look by tapping on it and tapping on edit. And here you can choose from different materials and colors. So these are the different wood options, but there are even other materials, which is kind of crazy. You can also create a leather or a fabric or a metallic cabinet, as you can see, even a concrete one. So yeah, the options are quite vague, so you can choose anything from this list, customize it, and then when you are done customizing, you just have to tap again on the check mark and place it back in your room. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.